Hey guys, this is great. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show how to create a training course certificate using Photoshop. So let's get started. Here as you can see a training course certificate, how I created it. First of all, you have to create a new document. You can take a new document by pressing Ctrl plus N. That should be A4 size paper. Now rotate this document 90 degree. That's great. Here we will work. Choose a background color according to your choice. Now press Ctrl plus backspace button. Now take a ruler by pressing Ctrl plus R from your keyboard. Give a margin top and left side. Now we will create a border around the document. For that, we should create a new layer. Go to Custom Shape tool and select a border according to your choice. Now drag mouse cursors on the document. Give a color according to your choice to the border. Select Move tool and press Ctrl plus Alt from your keyboard and drag the layer with mouse cursors to make a layer to fill the border. Select all layer of this border. Make a all layer in a layer by pressing Ctrl plus E button from your keyboard and make a duplicate layer of this layer by pressing Ctrl plus J button. Drag this layer bottom the document and fixed according top margin. Transform the layer Ctrl plus T and rotate 180. Make another copy of this layer and rotate 90 degree. Set the layer left margin. Make also another copy of this layer and set the right margin. And again select all layer of this border and make a all layer in a layer by pressing Ctrl plus E button from your keyboard. Now select rectangular marquee tool from tool panel and make a selection. Now change the color or make a different color of selected area. Now take a new layer and select horizontal typing tool. Make a typing area, drag in mouse cursors. Type your desired name or institute name in this typing border. Now copy this text and paste the text whole selecting typing area. Now convert this typing layer into the JPG layer. To make this JPG layer, select layer, right click on mouse and select rasterize layer. Now drag in this layer whole document. Reduce opacity. Take a new layer and select horizontal typing tool. Now time to write main text of certificate. I have wrote already all text for saving time. This font name is black letter 686BT. If you don't have this font, please go to Google and search black letter 686BT and download. After downloading, install on your PC. This font name is Monotype Corsiva and others font as well as you can change according your choice. Now ready to save your certificate. You can save it shortcut by pressing Ctrl+S. Save the document according to your choice, PNG or JPG format. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for next video.